Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Noel Paul Stookey. And the song that we are going to react to is Wedding Song, There Is Love.
Sounds good, just the title. Wow. I think first time we are listening to this artist on Noma.
Yeah, as far as I can remember.
This is a request by Jeffrey, Patreon request.
Let's listen.
Now to be among you at the calling of your heart. Rest assured this troubadour was acting on his part. The union of your spirits here has caused him to remain. For whenever two or more of you are gathered in his name, there is love. There is love. Will a man shall leave his mother, and a woman leave her home? They shall travel on to where the two shall be as one. As it was in the beginning, is now until the end. Woman draws her life from man and gives it back again, and there is love. There is Well then, what's to be the reason for becoming man and wife? Is it love that brings you here, or love that brings you life? Or if loving is the answer, then who's the giving for? Do you believe in something that you've never seen before? Oh, there's Oh, the marriage of your spirits here has caused him to remain. Oh, whenever two or more of you are gathered in his name, there is love. Oh, there's
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Such a holistic perspective. What a wonderful preview. What a great philosophical thought process. Kind of groundbreaking the way this song flows. It is covering the spiritual aspects of it, the matrimonial ceremony, but also talking about love itself.
Yeah.
Trying to gain some understanding into why two people come together in holy matrimony. What is it all about? Is it love? Is it giving? Is it about the gathering, in the name of God? What is it all about? So it's asking questions, but at the same time also answering a few of them during the song itself. Very beautifully put together. And as the screens showed right at the beginning, seems to be played mostly by him, the guitar, as well as sung by him. So it's mainly him who's done everything here. Beautiful. This is a fine tune. Fine. Really fine tune. I enjoyed it. For me, love is just one thing, is choosing to be with someone or something. That's my definition of love. That's what I've shared with thousands and thousands of people from all across the world, clients, students, readers, viewers, and you. Now, love is choosing to be with someone or something. Choosing is the most important aspect of it. When you choose, you're not forced, you're not manipulated, you're not coerced. You do it on your own thought process, on your own thinking, on your own freedom, on your own choice. When it's your choice and you want to spend time with someone, and of course a marriage is all about that. Spending time with that other person, the spouse, the better half, call her or him what you will. Spending time with that person, that is what marriage is, and it's your choice. If a marriage is fixed, manipulated, or you are forced into doing it, the results can be seen all across the world. You know, if in the spur of the moment, due to peer pressure, parental pressure, and other reasons you get married, it's not fulfilling. It's very difficult for it to be fulfilling and reliable. Can't be a reliable 5-star kind of relationship, will it? What are your thoughts on this whole song?
This is beautiful. I the way he sings, it's still ringing in my ears. There is love. The way he would say those two lines together, it was like a chant. The first time he said, and I said, wow. And then the music goes along with it. It makes it super duper nice to listen to. There is love. The moment he says there is love, everything melts down. Any tension, anything in your brain, any stress, and then it relaxes for that moment when he says, and there is love. And the way it was said is not a regular way of people saying. You know, the tone, the way it had to be pronounced, the way, the space of it and everything was just beautiful. I like the music that was playing, and probably he was the one who was playing, it seems, as per the screen. It was like the wheels, and then his vocals were like the carriage on the wheels. And both of them working together so beautifully. It was relaxing to listen to, also at the same time very, very deep when it comes to the lyrics. Whether, not for the world, not for God, not for the society, not for anything else, rules or regulations. When two people come together, there is definitely love that should bind them, and that should be the driving force of two people when they decide to get into something like this.
Yeah, marriage is not a joke, but you see so many couples who actually enter holy matrimony or get married as
Just
a
because
joke.
the best friend got married and I'm still single, that's not right.
Yeah, peer pressure and
Yeah,
societal
so
pressure
much.
and things like that.
Your
That is not the
decisions
reason to get
are
married.
what your life is
Just
made
because
of.
you're single and you're getting older doesn't mean you get married.
No.
And also the wedding. What's about the wedding? Spending so much of money on the wedding.
If you don't like spending that, don't.
Yeah, don't. And I'm saying it from my own experience. Kirti and I got married. We didn't spend much. We didn't
Not that
have.
we are stingy.
Yeah, we didn't have much of a ceremony. We just called the most important people that were available. You know, many were abroad. We would have liked them to be here, but they couldn't be here. And we were getting married. So whoever could come, they came. Couple of them did come from abroad for the ceremony and the reception. So we had a very closely knit ceremony, very, very private, very fulfilling, and deeply spiritual and deeply, it really celebrated the bond that we had and we share till today. So I enjoyed it, and I see so many couples, clients included, so many of them who spend their entire life savings, and many of them don't even have those savings. They just borrow it.
Some
They
people
take it
sell
on
things
credit.
and some
They
people-
run into debts of thousands and thousands of dollars and millions of rupees if you're in India. They run into a lot of debt just for that one day and for a honeymoon, which also cost a lot of money, incidentally. So, they spend a lot. It can be done in a very economical manner, but at the same time, preserving the spiritual aspects, the romantic aspects, the commitment aspects of a marriage ceremony. That is very, very important. It can be done on a very low budget without really looking stingy or bad. You will still look good in those photographs. You will still look happy. and of course with us it's been 13 plus years now. We know it's worked out. It's worked out. Life is unpredictable, but it's worked out for us because we were committed to it. And I like this song
If
for that
only
reason.
all the young people who were getting into the institution of marriage, they were told it's not about that one day of the social announcement that you're going to make about your marriage, but it's about the process in which you're going to live every day and set an example to all of those people who you were supposed to invite for the dinner. That matters more. People forget the food that they ate for your wedding, but they remember the way you're leading your life together every single day, whether it is happy or it's miserable. It is for everyone to
But if you're a wedding crasher, you may remember only the food.
yeah, for them it's the food that matters.
Or whatever you
Anybody's wedding.
went there for. If
Yeah.
it's like the movie Wedding Crashers, then we all know why they go to those weddings. Owen Wilson and Vince Vaughn
Vince
characters. Anyway, this is a great song, and yes, this is our two-piece comments on this song and the concept of wedding or marriage. Definitely, it's our personal opinion on it as well as my professional opinion as a relationship counselor for more than 20 years now. So that's what, and my definition of love. It's one to remember. At least I have remembered it every point of time in my life. Whenever I'm planning things, whenever I'm doing things, I'm always living in the moment. But sometimes when I plan, I always keep in mind, is it something I want to do with my time? Is it my personal choice? Is it something that makes me happy? And just asking these basic questions like he asked in this song about the relationship. Just asking these basic 2 or 3 questions that I asked makes my life so much better. So much better. You know, I really am blessed to have so much abundance and wealth in different forms and in different ways, and to live such an amazing life even during this pandemic. It's because the basics are right. And you stick to the basics and keep it simple, the results speak for themselves. That's it for this one. Goodbye.